When you're first starting out with gardening, it can be overwhelming. There's so much to learn, from how to plant your veggies to when to prune your hydrangeas. But don't worry, gardening is a journey, and the more you do it, the more you'll learn. There are 8 tips to improve your gardening experience. 1. Choose the right spot for your garden. Just like real estate, location is everything when it comes to gardening. Place your garden in a part of your yard where you'll see it often. This way, you'll be more likely to spend time in it and take care of it. 2. Choose a sunny spot. Most edible plants need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day, so choose a spot in your yard that gets plenty of sun. 3. Plant near a water source. Watering your garden is essential, so it's helpful to plant near a hose or spigot. This will save you time and hassle. 4. Start with good soil. Your plants need nutrient-rich, well-draining soil to thrive. If your existing soil is poor, you can improve it by adding compost, manure, or other organic matter. 5. Consider container gardening. If you're short on space, you can still grow a garden in containers. Pots are a great way to grow vegetables, herbs, flowers, and even fruit trees. 6. Choose the right plants for your conditions. Consider your climate, sunlight exposure, and soil type when choosing plants for your garden. Some plants are better suited for certain conditions than others. 7. Learn your plant hardiness zone. Your plant hardiness zone is a measure of how cold your winters are. It's important to choose plants that are hardy to your age. Feed your plants regularly. In addition to starting with good soil, it's important to feed your plants regularly. This will help them grow strong and healthy. A month after planting, start feeding your plants with a high-quality plant food. Be sure to follow the label directions.